guys, no time no see.
What's up, peoples? What's up? What's up? What's up? Is you guitar ready, baby?
So today, we're going to go and check out this boat that we've seen. We're looking
The boat, right?
Don't worry about it. We're going to go and check out this boat that we've seen and start some new adventures. We've been fishing off the bridge for all our lives. And we're looking to upgrade. This is the year of upgrade.
Upgrade, baby. It's time to have fun and really get out and enjoy life and just live. You know, I grew up around the water and all that, man. Now it's time for me to get in the water. You feel me?
Yeah, probably get some snorkeling gear. So right after we scoop the boat up, we're taking care of some other business today too, in regards to the semi. So we're just trying to balance everything the best way we can. But I mean, everything's an upgrade as of now, so can't really complain. Blessed and busy.
That's the name of the boat.
Yeah, so go get some life jackets. Today is basically going to consist of scooping the boat if everything goes well, some life jackets,
Scoping out different docks.
Yeah, looking at some docks.
Which I might grab me a fishing pole and just, while they looking at docks, I'm going to be fishing. You feel me?
Yeah, he could probably just practice putting the boat in the water and just dropping a line or two because he seems to have fishing fever. I told him he needed to wait until Saturday.
I've been looking at fish. I've been dreaming about fish. No, I ain't been dreaming about no fish.
Oh, hell no. Cut. We ain't dreaming of no fish. That's what we not gonna do. What we not gonna do. We just left Miami, so we went on a, what did we go? Speedboat ride.
Speedboat ride, and it just made me wanna fish even the more.
And just being in that water, I just started looking for boats, and we think we found the winner to get us started.
Winner, chicken dinner.
So yeah, stay tuned. Yo! We are here. There's the boats waiting on us.
They had dogs.
It's got 6 carburetors. And this is your air filter right here. I just normally hit it about 2 little squirts.
And this hole right here?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Can you crank it up real quick?
Yeah, we can crank it up.
And we still got some of this stuff.
Yeah.
So you only crank it with the holes on it?
Yeah, never crank it because it's like it doesn't have a water. The water runs through the motor. That's what comes. It's not like a car or anything that has a radiator or nothing. So it's got to have water to run.
Makes sense.
And I'll show you the
I like this.
I have 2 poles back there.
at Walmart or
that's like it's called like a muzzle, right?
yeah. Muff. They got like a Sports Academy or wherever you can get these there. And then you got these fins right here on the side of it. Okay. You want to use the ladder?
Oh yeah.
To normally about right here, and you'll see it lift off the trailer. And when you see it,
So you basically just start floating.
yeah, start floating. When you see it start floating, I stop. Come right here. I'll take this one off first. This is safety chain right here. Come down, let it loose, pull the safety chain, and then after it starts floating, I'll take this, unwind it, and I'll normally tie a rope right here
To the dock.
and I'll push it off and tie it to the dock and drive out. Hook it right here, and
Crank it back.
crank it back up, and I try to keep the boat at least right here, from this black line to here. And you can see where all the little marks off where, you know, it sits. And this is where you're gonna want it to sit at. And then, like I said, once you get done with that, you can pull it out the water, take that, lock your safety chain down. Lock the safety chain down, and you're good to go. Put in it. If you're gonna put 20 gallons in it, you'll come and find your gallon mark right here. It says gallons of gas. So if you put 20 in it, you'll fill this up to the 10 2 times and dump it into the gas. This is your gas tank right here.
Okay.
Can't take him nowhere. Can't take him nowhere. Oh my gosh. So we have picked the boat up. Ryan's asleep, Naya's not asleep. And it is, oh my gosh, what time is it? Let me see. It's 9:24. Okay. We left 8 o'clock this morning to get this boat, which is right there. And we are now at the gas station because we just now drove back. So our wheel bearing came off of the trailer. We had to pay $200 to get roadside assistance for them to come out and fix it for us. So it's fixed now, but the people that actually sold us the boat were nice enough to give us our money back for what we paid, minus the parts. But a lot of the parts the mechanic that came out for roadside already had for us, so we can actually take back most of that stuff and get like $100 back. So altogether it was like $360. But they sent us some money back, so that was really nice of them to do that. They didn't have to do that. So really good people, we appreciate them. But there's the boat right there. This guy to put gas in the U-Haul, so we also had to find a U-Haul to tow the boat until we get a truck for the boat. So yes, we've been at it all day since 8 o'clock this morning until 9 at night. Hopefully it was all worth it.
You gonna use that shell card?
Yeah. Jeez.
What's up, bro? Malcolm?
No. Take a picture of you in the book. What up? What up? No. Say what up? No.
What up, though?
What up?
There's the captain. Captain.
Hey,